Hi there, have you tried this creamy lentil pasta, high protein, gluten-free and vegan delight? Let me show you how to. Discover the ultimate creamy lentil pasta recipe that is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy a delicious high protein and dairy-free meal packed with fresh veggies like bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, carrots and spinach. This gluten-free pasta is both nutritious and satisfying, perfect for vegans and anyone aiming to lose weight without sacrificing flavor. Weight loss shouldn't be boring. If this topic is something you would love to hear and watch, please subscribe to this channel. Click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the one to be notified first for this video. So now I'm assembling my ingredients, which is the bell pepper, onion, broccoli, some garlic and some tomatoes. But then the twist in this recipe is to grill the tomatoes, the bell peppers and the onion plus the garlic, and that is what gives that creamy nature in this pasta. This is an old Italian recipe and I would love to share it with you. People say weight loss is boring and people don't keep track and are unable to be consistent because they feel that they are missing out on their delicious and favorite meals. I mean, if you love pasta but yet you want to keep it very simple and yet stretch some belly fat and lose some weight, then this is for you, because the pasta itself we're using here, it is gluten-free, it is high protein, which is lentil pasta. We know lentils are very high in protein, plant-based, perfect for anyone who is vegan, and very delicious. It is so delicious. And as well, you're taking it in high protein. You're getting your high protein intake, but yet you're not losing anything. You're still eating your pasta, but yet you have to think about portion control. Okay, so I'm just assembling my tomatoes, my bell peppers, my onion and my garlic. As I said, I chopped that into finer pieces, and then put my favorite ingredients, spices. You can season with whatever seasoning you prefer, and grill that in the oven for over like 15 minutes depending on the kind of oven you have. For me, I grilled this for close to 15 minutes and it was perfect for the blending and gave me the creamy nature. And the reason for this is to take out the water content in the veggies, especially tomatoes and bell peppers. They have a lot of water in them, so we don't want that, and we want it creamy and very simple, but yet delicious and flavorful. So that's the goal of this video. So keep watching, and if you have watched up to this moment, up to this point, please subscribe to this channel, click that notification bell and smash the subscribe button and join this healthy family with good vibes, positivity. I mean, we share only positive vibes here, no negativity. Everyone who is looking to stretch some weight or maintain their weight, or looking for a healthy lifestyle, or you're vegan and you don't know how to keep track on what you eat on a daily basis. You don't want to eat the processed meals from the restaurants and you want to prepare your own meals. This video is perfect for you. It is very delicious. This recipe was so good that I have to do it again and again. I mean, I have to do this recipe over and over because of the satisfaction I got from it, and the flavor is out of this world. So while my veggies are in the oven, my chicken is on the fire, my pasta is on the fire, I save the time, because when I am in the kitchen, I don't want to waste so much time, but yet prepare something very delicious and with no wasting of time. You don't need to break a bank to live a healthy lifestyle, right? So while the chicken and the lentils are cooking, the veggies in the oven, I'm just seasoning all of that, and then I will go back to my veggies and start prepping my veggies. So at this point, don't mind the ingredients I'm adding here. It was just simply some chili flakes, some grilled pepper, paprika, dried paprika, salt, seasoning, whatever seasoning that you prefer is just okay. You must not follow the seasoning I added to this. I struggled, and if you look at the video carefully, you can see the seasoning that I used for this particular recipe. So while those are cooking, I will just be keeping my veggies, prepping my veggies to make it very easy for me to just blend and mix everything. When everything comes out of the oven, every other thing will be ready. So at this point, the chicken was already ready, and then I just added that into the oven and then took out the veggies from the oven and let it cool for some time. So I take that time to now prep my veggies. And I love to do my broccoli like this. I don't slice it. I don't chop it with a knife, because chopping it with a knife would actually shred the broccoli into pieces, and that's not what I want. I want it whole as it is. So at this point, you see it has cooled down, and now it is the moment of truth to bring out the creaminess of all these ingredients. Look at how the garlic was well cooked, and I'm just going to blend all of this. This is packed with flavor. I mean, the smokiness from the veggies that has been grilled brings out the flavor, brings out everything. I mean, guys, you should try this recipe. You will thank me, and you will not want to eat pasta any other way again, just like this. So I'll be adding some olive oil. You know, I always love my olive oil. I cook with olive oil or coconut oil, but in this recipe I'm using olive oil. Then fried up my onion, and then went in with the creamy ingredients, and then seasoned that with my seasoning of choice as well. I added some seasoning, I added some salt, I added some strong chili, because I wanted it a little bit hot. You know, we are in the cool season and we are still in winter, so I love a little bit of hotness in my food. That brings the temperature off. You know, it's quite cold. So you can see the pasta has been well cooked, and it is very ready. And I'm just spicing that with all the spices that I used for the chicken as well, because the broth from the chicken, I did not use it for this recipe because I didn't want it watery. I wanted this recipe to be as creamy as much as possible. So I'm just mixing that, and then everything at this point was just so amazing. I'm so proud of myself bringing out this particular recipe. I was just so happy. Then I added some fresh baby spinach, and then just because I want a healthy version of pasta, right? You can do without all these veggies, but adding these veggies is a plus to your weight loss journey. It helps you consume more fiber and yet enjoy everything. Look at that. Won't you try this? Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like and share my video. Happy Valentine's week.